Do you want to know how you can unmute someone on Threads and you want to see the list of your unmute or mute people? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can unmute someone on Threads. Go ahead and open Threads, which is on your phone. First of all, let me show you by unfollowing or muting someone. Go to their profile, tap on the three lines and click mute, and then click mute posts. Now if you scroll, you can notice that that person will not appear on your screen. Now to unmute the people and see the mute list, go ahead and tap on your profile, which is on the right hand side, click on settings and then go to privacy. You can see muted option, tap on muted and you can see that these are the people who you have muted. Now you want to unmute them, go ahead and click unmute. You can see that the person has been muted. Go ahead and click unmute in this profile as well and you can see that your unmute has been removed and you have unmuted those people. I hope this video about how you can unmute someone on Threads was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.